Okay. On behalf of Ben Ahiadu, who happened to come from this town, I present these laptops to Bomigo EP Basic School. And he hopes that these computers will be used, be put into good use, and it will be taken good care of too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm Gaspar Jaka. I was here this morning to present some items in the form of laptops to Bomigo EP Basic School on behalf of my friend Ben Ahiadu, who happened to be a PhD student in the US and a former student of this school. Growing up as a child or as a student, he realized that he didn't get access to some of these basic things like computer to use for work or even learn how to even use the computer. So because of that, he realized that no, I have to do something to help my his junior brothers and sisters who happen to also come out from the same route as his. So we presented some laptops to the school, and then so that they could furnish their computer lab, so that it could help them to be enlightened. And they being in this modern society now, where computer is there, and we have Generation Z, where children now use IT for all their work. He wants them to learn it from the scratch so that they will become better than him. Thank you.
My name is Agbonu Jennifer. I am attending Bomigo EP Basics. I thank Mr. Ahiadu Ben for bringing us laptops today, but we want him to support us to renovate our classroom, primary and JHS, and also build us toilets and library facilities. Thank you.
I'm Walanyo Benjamin Auku, the headmaster of Bomigo EP Basic School. We have received a number of laptops from Mr. Ahiadu Benjamin or Ahiadu Ben. I would like to extend my heartfelt warm gratitude and acknowledgement for the donation on behalf of the SMC PTA, CISO, and the Director of Education, Angloga District. We would like him to know that we are fond of him being a very good supporter of this school. He has donated some amount of money for us to be able to renovate our computer lab, and today he is giving us a laptops. We appreciate him so much, and we would like the good Lord to grant him the life, sustain him more, to do more for the community and then the environment. Also, we would appreciate him so much that we would like him to encourage other colleagues, other community members, other influential persons to support the schools, especially Bomigo and Tunu. When I came, there were a lot of challenges in this school. Since establishment 1956, there has been no toilet. Children go to the bush to defecate. We will appeal to him that if he has other influential people to help this school, he will appeal to them so that they will come and support us in those regards. We appreciate him so much. God richly bless him.